Hello students. Yesterday we have learned how to write capital and small alphabet A. Capital and small alphabet A with the help of strokes. And today we are going to learn how to write capital and small B with the help of strokes. Look here. 4 lines are there in your notebook. In your 4-line notebook there are 4 lines. Red line, first blue line, second blue line and red line. So you have to start from red line. Look here. From red line you have to write one standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. From red line to second blue line. Which line is this? Standing line. This is the first row. This is the first row. Then look here. From red line to second blue line. Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Standing line. And from here you have to start. From tip of the line you have to start writing. A big curve. A big curve. A big curve. A big curve. Now look here. Standing line. Standing line. And a big curve. Join here on first blue line. And again from first blue line to second blue line. This is capital B. Which alphabet is this? Capital B. Capital B. Now look here. How to write small b? How to write small b? First you have to write from red line to blue line a standing line. From red line to blue line a standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. After this you have to write again here second stroke standing line and a small curve from first blue line. You have to start from here. Look here. Look here. Look here. From here you have to start from first blue line. You have to start right curve. Look here. Again the third stroke. Standing line. And from first blue line you have to write curve. Start from here and end with second blue line. Look here. This is small b. Small b. And capital B and small b.